What if your brain isn't just a vault for memories, but a shifting library where recollections move around like restless ghosts? A groundbreaking study published in Nature challenges everything we thought we knew about how the brain stores spatial memories. Scientists have long assumed that specific brain cells, dubbed place cells, act as GPS markers for locations. But this new research suggests those memories might be more like migratory birds than static landmarks. Ready to dive into the mind-bending details? Let's unravel this mystery together. The study, conducted on mice, reveals that spatial memories don't stick to the same neurons each time they're accessed. Instead, different groups of brain cells light up in the hippocampus when the same memory is triggered. This memory drift contradicts decades of assumptions about how we mentally map the world. Researchers used cutting-edge techniques to control variables with surgical precision. Mice ran on treadmills surrounded by identical visual displays, inhaled the same scent each time, and their brain activity was tracked via glowing proteins that light up like Christmas trees when neurons fire. The results? No two memory activations looked exactly alike. Cells shifted like puzzle pieces, rearranging themselves. But here's where it gets controversial. If memories in mice can drift, does that mean our own recollections are similarly fluid? Could this explain why eyewitness accounts often differ, or why childhood memories feel like they're stored in different versions? Daniel Dombeck, a lead researcher, expected tighter consistency in controlled experiments. Instead, the data screamed chaos. We thought pinning down all the variables would stabilize the memories, he told Life Science. But the brain defied us. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Mice aren't humans. While rodent studies often inform human research, our brains are vastly more complex. Consider recent discoveries showing the brain learns in ways scientists never predicted. Could memory drift be another twist in this tangled tale? Future studies using virtual reality environments might help scientists recreate these controlled conditions in humans. Imagine testing memory recall in a VR maze where every visual, auditory, and even olfactory cue is identical. Would our brains show the same drifting patterns? And if they do, what does that mean for how we understand truth, identity, and even mental health? This research opens more questions than it answers. For example, does memory drift affect long-term recall differently than short-term? Could this phenomenon explain why some people have photographic memories while others struggle to remember where they left their keys? As you read this, consider your own experiences. Have you ever felt like a memory shifted when you tried to recall it? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear if you think your brain is more like a library or a kaleidoscope.